Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Manu and I am going to show you how to connect LCD display with Arduino. I have successfully elaborated all the step-by-step procedure in this video, so let's start. Our required element is so this is very easy connection. Here is 60 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then D0 to D7 and A and K. A and K for LED. K is ground of LED and A is positive of LED. From here, first pin is for ground and second pin is always positive. Then third pin is D0, no required for third pin. Then fourth pin is RS pin, then RW pin, then MO pin. So LCD display connection is 1 number pin connect with 3 number pin using 1K or variable resistance. Then 1 number pin connect with 5 number pin, means RE pin. So here has D0 to D7. We use any 4 pin here. So now connection is. At first I paste this LCD with the breadboard. Connection is RS pin connect with 12 number digital pin, enable pin connect with 11 number digital pin, D4 connect with 5 number digital pin, D5 connect with 4 number digital pin, D6 connect with 3 number digital pin and D7 connect with 2 number digital pin. Now I am doing this. Now I am going to code. At first I open the Arduino software. And this is your code. Now I am checking the port already selected here. Now I upload this code. Need to restart. At first we print the hello world. Hello world. Now again upload. Okay, now we see here at first it print the hello world. If I want, we can write our name, suppose hello Manu. Again upload. Okay, here print hello Manu or other's name, suppose hello Forhad. Again upload. Here has print hello Forhad. Now if I want, we can write the second line. So that so we need a new line, lcd.setCursor cursor 1, 0. Then lcd.print lcd.print double quote hello Manu. Now upload again. Sorry, there is some problem. Again upload. Okay, there is hello Forhad and second line print hello Manu. Now if we restore again, okay, this is successfully done. So no more today. We'll come back to the next video tutorial. Thank you and thank you very much.